Welcome to Stories with Little Nana. I'm reading this story with my mommy because I want her to read with me. Today we are reading Bear and Bird by and illustrated by Gwen Milberg. Okay. Are you ready, guys? Bear and Bird were best friends. They lived together in a house Bear had made for them in the middle of a beautiful forest. Every day, Bear and Bird went into the forest to collect wood for their fire and gather berries and bugs for their supper. While Bear worked hard looking after Bird, cooking him his favorite birch twig and rose hip soup, Bird sang his favorite songs. La 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 la. Winter was coming, and Wise Owl ho ho warned all forest creatures that it was going to be very cold. Ho ho. He told them to gather enough firewood and food to last until spring, so Bear and Bird collect as much wood and food as they could carry. One very cold evening, Bird put all the wood they had gathered on the fire. There was none left. Bear gave a deep sigh. And went out into the snowy night to get some more. Hours went by and Bear had not returned. Bird began to worry. Where is Bear? Was he trapped? Could he be lost? Why had he not come back yet? I feel so sad. Bird had to be brave. He put on his warmest hat and scarf and went to look for Bear. Bird follows Bear's paws prints in the snow. Purr! Suddenly, Fox came running in through the trees. Have you seen Bear? Asked Bird.
No,
said Fox.
Sorry, I can't stop. I'm on my way to help Weasel. She has a hole in her roof that's letting in snow.
And she hurried away. Bird thought to himself, what a lovely thing for Fox to do. He thought all the wonderful things Bear did for him. Making supper, putting him to bed, reading a nice, cozy story about Princess and the Kiss. Bear's paw prints were beginning to disappear in the snow. Just then, Squirrel scuttered down a tree. Have you seen Bear? Asked Bird.
No,
said Squirrel.
Sorry, I can't stop. Badger's out of food, so I'm taking him some of my nuts.
That's a good friend, thought Bird. What a lovely thing to do for Badger. And he continued on his way. Bear's paw prints came to a sudden end at the bottom of a tree. I should have done more to help Bear, sobbed Bird. Just then he heard a sound from above. Bird shone his torch up into the tree. Bear! Bird sang with joy. Bear was afraid and shivering with cold. He had got lost and couldn't find his way home in the dark. Bird helped Bear down from the tree and gave him a giant warm hug. Then the two friends walked home together, collecting firewood on the way. When at last they arrived At the snow-covered house, Bird wrapped Bear in a warm blanket, built a toasty fire, and made them both steaming hot of hot chocolate. From then on, Bird always helped the bear to collect wood for the fire and to gather berries and bugs for their supper. And the best of all, Bird still sang his lovely songs while the two friends worked together. The end. What a lovely thing Bird had to do. I love this story. Do you want to hear another story? Another one? It's called Bear, Bird, and Frog. Wait here. I'll get it. But wait. Come back to the next episode of Stories with Little Nona. Bye.